Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all Yahoo Mails instantly. So for deleting all Yahoo Mails instantly, first you need to open Google at your PC, then tap on search bar and search for Yahoo Mail. Then here you have this mail option, click on it. If you have already signed into your account, your Yahoo Mail will automatically appear on your screen. If you are not signed in, so first log into your account. Then open the mail section of your Yahoo Mail. Then here you can see all your mails will appear on your screen. For deleting your all Yahoo Mails instantly, at the front of Compose you have this box at the left side of the screen. Once you click on this box, your all mails are automatically selected. Then at the top you have this delete button. Once you tap on it, your all mails will delete it. Here I opened my that emails which are useless. Then here I repeat the same process, tap on this box. Then at the top, delete option will appear. Just tap on it. Then here you can see that the mails which you selected are deleted. So this is how you can delete all Yahoo Mails instantly. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.